Ngipriang ngobha yapi baro kibapet yakabam fan channel.
Laitumkhrah stands ready with a wide range of cuisine from local favorites to international flavors. Often just a stone's throw from one restaurant to another. But in the early hours of Shillong, the restaurants are yet to open their doors. To fill the gap, street food becomes the savior for hungry souls in search of breakfast, and the streets of Laitumkhrah begin to tell their own food stories. One of the highlights here is the story of a Bodo lady who brings a taste of Assam to the heart of Shillong. Every morning, she carefully steams and serves traditional Pitha, a soft, rice-based snack filled with coconut and jaggery. Her name is Minu. Originally from Assam, she came to Shillong in 1985 and has been selling Pitha ever since. She does not know her exact age, as she never kept track of it. Alongside her full-time work as a domestic helper, she operates this small stall to earn a little extra income to support herself. Meena has no children and no family to depend on. Yet every morning, without fail, she arrives with quiet determination, preparing and serving Pitha made with care and dedication.
कितना किलो चावल बनाता है?
As I filmed Minu, it reminds me of my own mother. Her quiet strength, her daily struggles, her endless love. A woman who carried the weight of life with a smile. Through Minu's journey, I honor my mother who, like her, faced countless hardships to give us a better life. Minu begins her quiet walk back home to Nongtimai, dragging the same cart she brought before sunrise. It's not just a cart filled with pots and pans. It carries resilience. It carries tradition. It carries the silent strength of a woman who never gave up. Every step she takes is a reminder that behind every humble street food stall, there's a story worth honoring. She is a hero, and through her, I see my mother.